today. Hey guys, it's BrieAction. How are you today? We're continuing on and we're doing Feeling by Jeong Sewoon featuring Penemeko, and we're going to get right on into it and press play. You guys know how much I really adore this kid since Produce 101, so... Oh, this is not all the way from the beginning. This thing like totally like cut off 2 seconds. We'll get right on into it and press play. Okay, better. He is really a talented ass kid. Like Starship got mad lucky. I'm actually shook that they didn't put him in a group. They just let him be a soloist. They're like, yo, do you, bro? write your stuff, do you? Oh, snaps. I love snaps. I love this, like the texture of the filming. Old school. He is blossoming. Y'all see his face? I mean, it looks the same, but like, you know what I mean? It's like coming in. I mean, not like he wasn't that young in Produce 101, but you get what I mean. He was still on the younger side, I feel. Like he still had time to, you know, filling out to do. Actually, I know Penemeko, but I didn't know what he looked like, so this is good. Oh, the guys on the keyboard, they're like, we got this. Well, this song is a bop. Just gonna put that out there. And he has like one of the cutest smiles I've seen. Literally. Snap's coming back. I feel like I've seen her before in like in another video. This is like a bop though, like really though. This needs to be a ringtone, but I'm trying to put like Throw the Kill as my ringtone right now, so we'll get to it at some point. It's nice though. This is a bop. He did that. I need to listen to that whole mini because you know that's gonna be worth it. All right. Y'all know I enjoyed that. Y'all saw it. I was through the whole thing. I was vibing with that. This kid is just so talented. And like I said, Starship got themselves a gem. They better not mistreat this gem. They better not do nothing to hurt this gem, because I will literally go there and complain to them to their faces. Because he is just like, you need to just take care of this. This is raw talent at its finest, and it's beautiful to see. So respect Jeong Sewoon. And let me get T-Birds, because that's what I'm gonna pair up with it. Why it just be messing me up? All right, so we got T-Birds Rockstar, and they are the sister project, because they're not even a real group yet. I don't know. It's a project of Pink Lady, that group that did that. I can't remember. Wow, I can't remember the title of the song right now, but yeah, they're the brother project group to Pink Lady. So T-Bird, the T-Bird, Rockstar. Let's get right into it and press play. And the Pink Lady had that like Grease vibe. Why does he give me like Nick-kun vibes? The one that was sitting on the couch. He's a cutie. And his voice is really pretty, wow. Okay, but you hear that? Okay, their voices are good. I know they were featured in Pink Lady, or Pink Lady featured in this. They did that's a total Grease move though. But the voices are great. That random bowling ball though. It's a jacket. He did this. It's like Saturday Night Fever. What was that random bowling ball though? Okay, that little harmony they did though, yes. Look at that Jack the Bowling Alley though. Oh, there they go. I wonder what that meant. Backup dancers. Their voices are great. Like, I love their voices though. They're killing it vocal wise. Like, they all sound pretty. So I hope they're not just a project, because I want to see like more of their voices. Do you hear that? What? He did that. Yo, really, they need to not be a project, because that's not even fair. That's not even fair to them. That's not okay. But their vocals are like worthy, like pay attention worthy, like seriously. Oh, they did that. Yep. They got my vote. They need to not be a project. They need to be a real group. So, sorry, that was the T-Bird Rockstar. And they did that. They did that, and I loved it. I love both. I love both of them. Jeong Sewoon and them. So, yes. I hope you liked and enjoyed that. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys want to see. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm BrieAction. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which is... What is it? What is it? 100%. Ah, yeah, 100%. Still Loving You. They came back. And... a member of Cross Jeans, Sangmin, he came out with a video called 24 Hours. So I'm going to do that too because I'm curious about it. And I was asked to do it. So I'll see you guys there. Bye, guys.